Today, we're meal prepping a flavorful lemon salmon with asparagus, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Best of all, we're baking it all at once on one baking sheet. Start by rinsing your vegetables. For this recipe, we're using 1 pound of asparagus, 1 zucchini, and 1 pint of cherry tomatoes. Pat them dry with a paper towel, then grab your cutting board and knife and place it on your table. Starting with the asparagus, cut off the bottom 2 inches of the asparagus, then place them in a large bowl. Now for the zucchini, cut the top ends off of it, then cut them into round slices. Place those in the large bowl with the asparagus. Then add the cherry tomatoes into the large bowl as well. Pour about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil over the vegetables. You can use another type of oil if you prefer. Grab your seasonings for the recipe and mix them together. The full list of seasonings and amounts are in the description box below. Sprinkle about 1/3 of your seasoning mixture. We'll save the rest for our salmon. Mix everything together, then set the bowl aside for now. Take out another large bowl and then add 2 pounds of salmon into it. Add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil over the salmon. Add 2 teaspoons of honey. Add about a teaspoon of lemon zest. Then cut your lemon in half and squeeze out the juice from half that lemon. Add the remaining amount of your seasoning mix. Mix everything together until your salmon is fully coated in the mixture. Preheat your oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out a baking sheet and place some parchment paper on it. Add your salmon in the center of the baking sheet. Place the asparagus spears around the salmon. Next, add the zucchini round slices on top of the asparagus. Then finally, add the cherry tomatoes on top as well. This is optional, but you can add some lemon slices on top of your salmon if you'd like. Bake it on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, check up on it and it should be finished. Let it cool down for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle some parsley on top of your salmon for garnish. If you're making this for dinner, then you're ready to serve your dish. If you're meal prepping these like I am, grab 4 meal prep containers. Then evenly distribute your salmon, asparagus, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes across your meal prep containers. And then you're set with a delicious and healthy lunch for the next 4 days. If you want to see more healthy meal prep videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.